Hello everyone, welcome back to Want to Step. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to sign up in ChatGPT. To get started, make sure your device is connected to stable internet. Once it's done, open ChatGPT app on your device. After you open the app, you will see this type of interface on your screen. Here you can sign up ChatGPT with any account you want. For now, let's click on continue with Google option. After you click on that, you will be taken to a website where you will have to add the account you want to sign up with. Click on the account and click on continue option. Here you are successfully logged into ChatGPT. So you are good to go now. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.